Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at a pretty cool outlet. So it's able to charge your phone and still be able to plug something in. And not only that, it can hold your phone too, doing it at the same time. So let's check this thing out. So the brand is Youse. So it does have surge protection, rapid charging, 400 joules, whatever that means. So it does have a 2.8 amp, which is a fast charge, and it has like a regular 1 amp charge. And we have a couple lights here on the side and a plug here. And on the top here, if you can see, this is where you can put your phone. So here it says red light indicates charging, and whenever it's off, it's fully charged. So it's pretty cool that it gives you visuals that you are still pulling power from this thing. So I just cut myself a little window and pulled it right out. All right, and this is the size of it. It's a pretty good size, guys. So, and I like that it has just a flat back here, so whenever you plug it in, you're not going to be, poking out or anything. It's going to be a pretty flat, good looking profile there. So pretty cool. So it feels pretty good quality overall. It's obviously all plastic, so I guess your phone would sit just like that in there, and then you can have a little wire that goes to the plug. So all right, let's go find somewhere to plug this thing and see what we can do with it and maybe what we can charge on it. All right guys, so we are here in the kitchen and we do have an outlet right here. And actually the kitchen is probably one of those places where you would use this kind of tool the most. So let's go ahead and plug it in on the top one there. So as you can see, that it mounts really nice and flush, and you obviously still have an outlet left there that you can use. All right guys, so a scenario for us would be something like, I need to charge my phone. So, I'll put it up there and plug it in just like that. And as you can see guys, the light is red indicating charge. But let's say you were cooking and you needed some kind of cooking instructions, so you need an iPad. So you can have an iPad also and plug that in into the 2 amp. So you're able to use both devices, charge your phone while maybe looking at some directions on how to cook something or just watching videos or whatever. So this little tool here seems to be a very good companion, a situation where you want your technology around you, or you're watching and you need to keep charging it, and it's always nice to have a charged phone for sure before you have to leave the house. And the good part is you don't lose an outlet. So here we can just go ahead and plug it in. And as you heard that sound, that was actually the rice maker over here on the side. So yeah guys, it's a really cool little charger. And as you can see guys, those little red lights are indicators. So once the charge is finished, you'll know that your device is full. So I'm pretty sure you can put something big like this on top of that also, but I wouldn't recommend it too much because the outlet is the only thing holding it. All right guys, if you liked this video, hit that like button. And if you want to pick up this little guy, I'll leave some links in the description where you can find it. Also, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And as always guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.